Hi! In front of me is VIVO T2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into Devices Settings and choosing Bluetooth and Devices. Now click on Bluetooth feature at the top and click on the gray switcher also at the top to activate it. Now select Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Lastly, click on Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!